Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of this correcting this vector. If you didn't watch the first video, you don't really have to, but if you're running this problem, somebody I know sent me this file and it's got a double vector line and it's got some nodes or something in there and it's got black fill, as you can see right here. When you click on it, it has a hairline. It actually has two, but then it's got 100% black fill. And in the first video, I showed how to correct this very easily and get it to just a single hairline with no fill. But I kind of thought it didn't, because when the way I did it actually reduced it in size a little bit, because I was taking the inside of the color fill. So I increased it, and I think the person will be a lot happier. And if you want to cut this out, I'll send you the file, and I might even post it on Epilogue laser fan page here in a little bit, but it looks a lot better than this one. Now, this doesn't work in all cases, but it worked in this case very easily. Let's just move this one out of the way. Let's take our original and we're going to create a boundary. Now I've got my nudge distance set on 3 inches still. I'm going to take and I'm going to move our boundary down. So that's a boundary of everything, and in this case it worked. It won't work on all this things, but these are individual parts, and this would be a lot easier than contouring every individual piece. Now when I do a boundary, it does it in a half of a point. So I'm going to change this to a hairline. I'm going to change it to red. So now we have that same thing. But now, and this doesn't work all the time either in this, but you can contour the whole thing at one time. And we're going to contour at 0.025. Now, what's good about this, normally on contour, you'd have to take these contours apart. But in this case, you go up to range and break the contour part. And then just because this is really one item still, we're going to click on it and we're going to move it down, because that's the inside. I've got mine set on treat everything as filled. We're going to delete that. We're going to take this and we're going to turn it into a red hairline. A black or a red hairline will cut, but I always take mine red just so I know they are a cut line. So there we have before and after, and this looks to me a lot better. I mean, this would, because you're closer to your joints and everything looks just better. Anyway, I hope it helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.